As the man walked along the sidewalk, it seemed like just another ordinary day. Right in the middle of the path was a large hole, completely unprotected, and without any warning signs nearby. Then suddenly, his foot caught on the edge, and he fell straight into the opening. What looked like a simple oversight turned into a serious accident within seconds. Unprotected openings in public areas create major safety risks. Any area under construction or maintenance must always be secured with barriers and clearly marked warning signs. When the large air conditioning unit mounted on the truck bed was switched on, everything appeared normal at first. The worker carefully monitored the system, listening for any unusual sounds coming from the unit. But only a few seconds later, small sparks started flashing from inside. In that exact moment, the malfunction rapidly escalated, and the entire unit suddenly burst into flames. Intense fire spread across the system within seconds. A minor technical issue quickly turned into a major fire hazard. Which part seems more dangerous to you? The sparks being ignored, or inspecting the system while it was still running? Electrical systems should never be tested or operated on moving vehicles. Before any inspection begins, the power must be fully disconnected, all connections secured, and the system properly grounded. A factory worker was standing beside a stack of boxes near the passageway. While waiting near the yellow safety lines, his entire attention was focused on the phone in his hand. At that moment, a transport vehicle started moving down the aisle. On the trailer behind it were several massive cable reels stacked on top of each other. As the vehicle approached, one of the heavy reels suddenly shifted sideways. Within seconds, the multi-ton reel fell directly toward the distracted worker. Employees sitting nearby immediately rushed over and worked together to lift the heavy reel and rescue their colleague. Using a phone inside a factory can become a life-threatening distraction. In areas where transport vehicles operate, workers must always stay alert and keep a safe distance from moving loads. Moving through the narrow loading aisle was already difficult enough. As the worker on the upper level carefully maneuvered the pallet, jack, boxes, and tool cases stacked on both sides made the space even tighter. Still, he pushed the pallet jack slightly forward to complete the turn. That small movement was enough to shift a heavy toolbox standing near the edge. Seconds later, it lost balance and crashed down onto the worker below. Before moving equipment in any work area, the surroundings must always be checked carefully and pathways kept clear. Never try to force heavy equipment through tight spaces. Workers were installing glass floor panels on the upper level of the shopping center. From a distance, the corridor looked completely finished, but one square section of the floor was still left open. A worker walking nearby continued forward without noticing the missing panel. Suddenly, the ground beneath him disappeared, and he fell from the upper floor. Any floor opening must always be protected with physical barriers and highly visible warning signs. Areas with missing panels should never be left exposed. The press machine inside the factory had been running continuously. As the operator monitored the molding process, everything looked routine at first. But after noticing what seemed like a minor issue, he leaned closer to inspect the machine. At that exact moment, the system automatically started another cycle. When the moving press suddenly closed, the worker became trapped between the machine components. Which moment felt more terrifying to you so far? The falling cable reel or the press machine suddenly activating? Before inspecting or servicing any machine, the power must be completely shut down and lockout-tagout procedures fully applied. Never approach moving machinery while it is operating. On a busy highway in Vietnam, traffic was moving at high speed. In the median strip, a woman stood next to a traffic sign while vehicles passed by one after another. For a few seconds, everything looked completely normal. Then suddenly, a light commercial truck with a large cargo box swerved to the right and struck the woman at full speed. Nearby drivers were left in shock, but the most disturbing part happened immediately afterward. Instead of stopping, the driver kept going without slowing down or offering help. Standing near high-speed traffic, especially in a median strip, can be extremely dangerous. Drivers must always stay focused and maintain full control of the vehicle at all times. On a narrow balcony construction site early in the morning, a worker was cutting deep grooves into a wall. Dust mixed with muddy water covered the floor, making movement difficult, while a long electrical cord stretched dangerously close to a bucket of water nearby. Suddenly, the spinning blade hit a hard surface and kicked back violently. The machine launched upward, nearly flying out of the worker's hands. As the powerful tool spun out of control, the electrical cord was dragged rapidly across the wet ground before the saw slammed hard onto the floor. What looked like a simple loss of balance nearly turned into a much more serious disaster. Never operate power tools with one hand or while standing in an unstable position. Electrical equipment becomes far more dangerous in wet environments. The escalator inside the shopping mall continued carrying a dense crowd of people. At first, everything appeared to be functioning normally as passengers stepped on one after another. But as the load increased, the system slowly began to struggle. The escalator first started slowing down, and most people assumed it was only a small technical issue. Then suddenly, the entire system reversed direction. As the steps moved backward, people instantly lost balance. Panic spread through the crowd, and chaos erupted as people fell onto one another. Escalator systems require regular maintenance and constant monitoring. Maximum capacity limits should never be exceeded, and passengers should always hold onto the handrails. As the heavily loaded truck approached the old wooden bridge, everything seemed normal at first. Despite the enormous weight, the driver slowly continued across the structure. The wooden deck bent slightly under the pressure, but the truck kept moving forward. As it neared the end of the bridge, cracking sounds from the support structure became louder and louder. Then suddenly, the wooden bridge collapsed completely. The structure shattered within seconds, sending the heavy truck crashing into the gap below before it overturned into the stream bed. Do you think the accidents in this video happened more because of a few seconds of distraction, or because the systems were unsafe from the beginning? Old bridges, especially wooden ones, should never carry heavy vehicles without regular inspections. Commercial drivers must always check weight limits carefully and use extra caution around aging structures.